What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Entertainment. So there is bad news for Jacob Zuma. So Jacob Zuma, he traveled all the way to AFCON to watch it in Morocco. However, there is something interesting that occurred. What happened is that when Bafana was there playing at AFCON, Jacob Zuma did not travel to support Bafana. So the South African team was then knocked out in the last 16, and then Jacob Zuma then went to watch the AFCON. I think it was during the semi-finals. Jacob Zuma was there watching the AFCON. However, there are rumors, that Jacob Zuma was supporting Morocco, because we all know the story of MK Party and Morocco, all those rumors about finances, etc., etc. So it's easy to make that prediction, that Jacob Zuma was supporting Morocco because of that connection between MK Party and Morocco. Now, sad news for Jacob Zuma. The AFCON was won by Senegal, and it was like a heartbreak if you were supporting Morocco. But obviously, most people, like the rest of Africa, they are very happy, that Senegal won. But for Jacob Zuma, massive disaster for him. I'll catch you guys on the next one.